And this is how to silence your brand new second generation Apple AirTag. Let me show you. Here, clearly it says second gen. I'll open the package. There are quite a few papers inside. And here it is, new AirTag. It looks like old one. I will unwrap it and pull out the tab. AirTag is active, as we heard audible chime. Next, I will add it in my Find My network and play lost sound for you to hear new improved AirTag Generation 2 in action. Well, for the last time. Let's do it. Remove a battery cover by twisting it anti-clockwise. It has standard 2032 battery. Larger speaker magnet is holding battery in compartment. If you put battery terminals up like so, there are 3 plastic clips spaced out evenly around, every 120 degrees. They are not visible from outside, so just trust me. I will grab my knife, gently start praying only on spots where are those 3 clips. You want to hear them click open. Here we go. One, another one, and last one. Voila! AirTag Generation 2 is open. All 3 plastic clips are intact. It wasn't harder to open, just a bit different. This new AirTag has improved many things, but we will focus on speaker and disconnecting it. Leave speaker magnet inside as it is properly glued. In order to make it silent, I will cut this tiny copper wire coming from speaker coil. There are 2 exactly same on each side, and it doesn't matter which one you cut off. AirTag will become completely silent. So now it's time to put it back together. Click on battery compartment, shovel in battery, and twist steel battery cover clockwise. Here, when I hit play sound, there is no sound coming out of the AirTag. Oh yeah, great success! Also, all other functions remain the same. By the way, this finding noise was from iPhone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.